So
This for.
let's go through the top. We'll go through the top row, and then we'll go through this. Then we'll do the tabs, and then we'll go through the bottom. Okay? We talked about how it should be connected to a system. It's connected.
Okay.
This is the package file.
Yep.
You only have one package file.
And
The configuration, go ahead and click that, is all where you would select the transmission type.
No.
Up on the top, it'll give you the current transmission that's already selected.
Okay.
And it gives you a list of transmissions.
Okay.
If you want to go ahead and scroll through the list, you can see Hondas, Jeep, Mazda. Like there's the Mazda G4 AL.
This one. Yeah. First connect شباب هذه للمنظمة حقتك أو شركتك. بعدين الكونفيجريشن هنا اللي تختار منها الترانسميشن أو الجير. اوكي طبعا اذا اخترنا عندك هذه الوضع الحالي مختار ايش
80
اوكي وهنا نفس الشركه
والمطلوب عندنا
هنا تبحث عن الجير اللي انت تبغاه من القائمه هذه. Now
if you go up to the top of the list, if you can see that the Allison series of transmissions is on here.
Okay, ALI. What does that stand for?
Allison.
Allison. Okay.
Yeah. So
it's not Ali.
Right.
Okay.
No, but that's just a shortened version for Allison. So even the Allison transmissions are on here. So with a cable like an Allison 1K that you see in like Dodge diesels,
Okay.
you can actually mount that transmission to the dyno and test it. So this is where you'd select the transmission. We're going to keep it on the one that we're working with, the GM 4L80. So go ahead and click cancel.
What about the bath? If we use custom?
Use a custom solenoid configuration is for our solenoid test machine.
Okay.
The one that you were asking me, the profiler,
Okay.
it's for that one. So you can actually tell the machine how to operate the solenoid, what duty cycle, how many hertz.
بالنسبة هذه مو تبع شو اسمه هم يستخدمون برنامج واحد لأكثر من جهاز وبالتالي هذه ما نحتاج. اوكي. إذا نبقى على نفس الجير هذا نضغط كانسل هنا. اوكي.
Okay. So the clear learn is to do changes to shift files. If that one box was checked, remember? Okay, so at this time, until you do the reading through the manual, and if you want to do something like that, then we can go through that, but otherwise,
okay,
it's kind of a useless function to you because it'll actually change the shift file. So it will make a file down below it in that same bracket, GM 4L80, and there'll be a little line down, and it'll say plus or whatever you call it. Okay.
So we don't need the clear
you don't need
layer at
no,
this stage. Okay.
at this stage.
Okay.
Okay. So the next one is going to be shift test.
Okay.
Shift test does the exact same thing as solenoid enable on the control console. So if I were to hit solenoid enable, you'd see shift test come right on, and you'd see the light.
تقدر تشغل الشيفت تيست اوكي اختبار التغيير اما من هنا او من هنا. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then solenoid test. Okay.
The same, or we have to.
The solenoid test, there's no button for solenoid test. It only operates off the box up top. It gives you two options, hot test or cold test. And the reason that there are two different ones is some manufacturers specify a different resistance by temperature. GM does not. It gives you the same hot and cold specs either way. So if you click cold test, it will go through and test the solenoids, measuring the resistance, comparing to the specification.
Okay.
Okay. See how it failed the TCC PWM?
Okay. That's why.
For high resistance.
Okay.
Now, click solenoid test again. Click cold test.
Cool.
Don't click OK yet.
Yep.
Click edit. Now, this allows you the ability to change the resistance specifications.
Okay.
So if I go in here to the TCC, right here, double click that. I can change
the numbers.
So let's change the max hot
Max
Click on that box. Let's put it at 23.
23.
23.
Yep.
Click OK. Now, did we get the cold too? Nope. Let's double click that again.
Okay.
And then let's change.
Max cold.
Yep.
To
23.
23.
And click OK.
Okay.
And now click OK. And now click OK. Now it's going to do that same solenoid test. You can hear the solenoids kicking, right?
Yeah.
كيف حصل
Yep. Solenoids. Running. Okay.
And now see it passed it.
Okay.
So you can change the specifications if you want to.
Okay. Okay.
There's a reason that it fails it on this transmission,
Why?
because we're using a 4L60E with a 4L80E cable.
اوكي السبب انه كان يرسب سبب الكيبل احنا مختارين 4L80 بينما هذا وشو 60 اوكي وهذا اللي يخليه يرسب لكن عموما قال لك في الحاله هذه انت بالامكان انك تسوي
The change,
change the values
solenoid test,
solenoid test and go for edit. اللي ضغطنا هذه solenoid test اختبار المرحلات قبل لا نختار ونضغط اوكي نروح على edit تحرير اوكي ونشوف السولينويد اي سولينويد.
If you notice, you see how we changed it to 23? It is going to go back to the spec,
to the default value,
to the default specification that's programmed in there.
Okay.
So if you are looking for something specific to change, you have to change it every time.
Okay.
If you need it changed on a permanent basis, please contact us directly.
For the file or
Yeah, for a new file. Okay?
القيمة اللي غيرناها من شوي من 18 خليناها 23 لاحظ هي كانت اوريدي هي الديفولت فاليو اوكي بعدين لما دخلنا عليها خلاص رجع لك الديفولت فاليو القديمه ما راحت عليك رجع لك 18 اوكي طيب الان فلو بتغير اي واحده من هذول اوكي جاست دبل كليك ويعطيك القيم هذه هي نفسها هذه ادخل على اي واحده وغير اللي تبي اوكي الديفولت لو غيرت هنا باي ميستيك ما تدري رجع الديفولت it should default setting for the are you sure
Yep.
رجع لك القيم لو سويت اي خطأ او ناسي بيرجع لك
But every time you do the shift test, it's automatically going to load the default.
ديفولت بس كل مرة تسوي اختبار بيرجع الديفولت لكن اذا تبي على قيم معينة غيرها كل مرة تبي غير اوكي
Okay?
and it's say called again.
Now because we didn't
أول شيء do it with 23 and it pass. Now the default value again restore.
it should fail.
TCC بيعطيك fail. بس.
No, it failed.
اوكي. واضحة؟ لكن لو ندخل ونغير هذا قيمة هذا اللي هو من وين؟
بيعود
من السولينويد هذه. اوكي تضغط السولينويد يطلع لك القيم.